Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include parking assist system, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, ventilated seats, Uconnect system. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, traction control, four-wheel drive, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, home link garage door opener, floor mats, cruise control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.